Hey guys, this is How To. Today I'll be showing you how to throw playing cards. I've got the Ace of Diamonds right now. It doesn't matter what type of playing cards you have, what playing card you have, like Ace of Diamonds or something. It does not matter. The point is, you have a card. You need a card. So I'm just going to tell you how to throw cards and the technique you need to use, and then my very good brother Otto will demonstrate. So basically, you get your card and you want to get your fingers over and sorry, this is very hard. I'm holding a camera, and bend them slightly like that. You can curl your fingers and your thumb like that if you want. Whatever's comfortable, you could go like this. I don't care, as long as you're comfortable doing it. Now, this will take a couple of attempts, like 2 days. It took me 2 days to master it and then, like, not do it every time, but now I can do it every time, and I've gotten better and better. It didn't take me 2 years, it took me 2 weeks. I think it would take you 2 weeks maybe, I'm not sure. It took us a week, I think, but still. So, there will be a separate video also coming out. There'll be a link in the description for this. A separate video, a slow motion of me or Todd, we don't really care, of throwing the card. So like slow motion. Yeah, that'll be coming out soon. But still. So now we can throw the card. So if I can bring in my brother Otto now. Come on, Otto. Alright, he's just here. He was sitting in the chair. Alright, so he will be throwing the card. Which way do you want to throw it? This way. Okay. I'm just gonna. There we go. Alright, so there he is with his card, and he's gonna throw it against the wall. Actually, I tell you what, we'll show you how to throw the card in the separate video. I think that'll be sensible, because it's just going. We can't do it accurate against this wall here. If we're doing it. So thanks for watching. I just want to show my hand because it looks a bit weird at a blank wall. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. The slow motion video will probably be coming out maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you want to see our last video, click up here, or maybe the subscribe will be up there. Video, subscribe, video, subscribe, subscribe, video, subscribe, video, whatever. Anyway, see ya.